Coming up on the Crazy Jamaican Bwoy Podcast.
They matter about say the youth them mash up the culture and a mash up and mash up where it is. But we not understand, we not teach we. We not really show the ropes and show the right thing them. You see me? So we are do of our own and we are do what we think is right.
Current dancehall, the kind of songs that are coming out right now, you think it measure up to like early 2000s, late 90s dancehall?
Listen what me I say, brother. If you know want mad over a girl, when you get in a relationship, always keep on fuss. And don't make you find out.
Brother.
Take my advice, listen.
Yo, mic check. You don't know, it's your boy Anthony. We're back again with another episode of the Crazy Jamaican Bwoy Podcast. You see me? But before we get into it and thing, make sure you like this video, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment now. Give the youth a strength, you see me?
That's cool, man.
Alright. If you not stream this on Spotify or Apple, big up on yourself. Make sure you leave a review and make sure you follow me, guys. You see me? And them something there, give me a little strength, and boost up the brand. You see me? The Crazy Jamaican Bwoy brand. Alright, now we get that out of the way and thing, but there with a, the baddest DJ and thing in the streets, you see me?
One DJ Wavey, you don't know the mixing alien, who don't know?
Alright, DJ Wavey. There again, you see me and thing. Brother, big up yourself. Thanks for coming on the podcast and thing.
Yeah, man.
Alright, you see me, I say, I've seen the work you've been doing. Keep it up, man. I love it. I love the consistency and thing. You see, I feel like all our life, we parents, them, everybody around with them, just teach you the one way of earning.
Doctor, lawyer.
Yeah.
9 to 5. Nah, that's the only thing.
But there's so many ways. So many ways.
And in this modern time where you have social media, you have streaming, gaming, there's so much things and the youth don't make money.
See it them?
Look at a man like a show speed. Like, come on, bro. That nigga's 21, right?
And he's a full-blown millionaire.
You see me? Like,
full-blown millionaire.
Parents, please support on kids them. If the kids them want to do something in the social media farm, you see me gaming. If they want to stream, just make them do. If they want to TikTok, make them do. Because it's pain. The only thing when I like do is that Jamaica is so local that you can't get paid for TikTok.
You can't get paid for it. You have to go live.
You see me? Only live. No, I don't like that.
I don't like that for real, man. And thing,
make that better, man.
Yeah, man. I definitely. But the government can also do. But, before we get into all of that, still, man. Give a quick look at introduction, but in case the people don't know who you be.
You don't know DJ Wavey, the mixing alien, who don't know, you don't know, say, I'm here the mixtape youth, you see me? When you know, hear my name, DJ Wavey Trouble. Yeah, man, I mean, make a whole lot of dancehall mixtape, the hip-hop mixtape, the clean one, because you don't know, so we keep it corporate. You understand? Yeah, man, we keep it clean, that's why the mixtape them is viral, you understand? Yeah, man. Believe me, man.
Alright, I love that. I love that point the way you make about keeping it corporate. Yes, you understand? Man. And that was actually a thing. I never said this on air, but with Comedy Boss, I tell him, say, listen to me, bro. You have to keep it clean. You have to keep it clean. No matter what. Because it's not enough to just post the content and people are watch it, You have to be marketable for these brands.
So really everybody can watch it. Children, teachers, students, elders, everybody can watch it.
You have to make it. And you say the thing is, if you don't necessarily want to be corporate, that's fine, But you see, if you do want the corporate support, if you do want the funding, you have to keep it clean. You have to make yourself marketable in them streets. Otherwise, you just make content for nothing.
Exactly.
Yeah, you just make content for nothing. Because just like what you say, a lot of these platforms, they're not monetized in Jamaica. We can't really earn from them. You understand me? I say a lot of the creators, them rely upon these corporate deals, then brands to reach out to them.
Yes.
All right, cool. But yeah, what got you into this space, the DJ space?
I say I'm family background still with my uncle. Yeah. My uncle was a farmer selector. You don't know him or the engineer now.
Which sound?
Clarity sound.
Clarity. Okay.
Big up Clarity. Don't know. Bad engineer. If you don't want to the song they mix and master, link up Clarity music. Yeah, see me. I say, yeah man, them man there. Put me and bring me that music. You understand? Mold me night and DJ Chiquidito. Yeah man, them man they my mentor. Them man they show me ropes and show me say, yo, music is a thing. I have the talent or the gift for it. Yeah, see me. Yeah. So you don't know. Because I look at you growing up and you want an artist first.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you want an artist first. Now these things sing from school and them things.
Yeah. So wait. Stop. How old were you at this point?
What? 12?
So you had 12 and you had a DJ?
Yeah.
12?
Yeah.
And you had go party and you had DJ when you had 12?
No, not even DJ. But
Yeah.
They are sing first
So
at
they are
12.
sing
Yeah,
first.
was singing first at 12. Yeah.
So they are sing, I did their school, I did want to become an artist really in the industry.
Yeah.
So what make you just decide to cut out that? What happened?
I don't really know. Like, I'm just falling in love with DJing more. You know?
Yeah.
I mean, I said the whole artist thing carrying on. And what them a sing now, we don't really want to sing well. Them a sing, because I don't know, at them time was the choppings, and I don't really want to sing that.
Yeah.
Because me, they sing song with substance and anything, and people don't want to hear that. They must say, yo, we not worry about no school and anything.
Yeah. No, a real thing, man. A real thing. I'm going to tell people this all the time, you know. You see, because a lot of times, I'm going to use an example, like all Spice and Jada Kingdom and them people, they get a lot of backlash because, you know, them sing, a lot of them hits are them talk about pum pum and skin out and all of them, something there. But me I say, them sing righteous song, you know, them sing uplifting and positive song, just like any other artist in the space. But at the slackness step up.
Exactly.
And
no one want to hear positivity.
Nobody no want to hear the positivity. We have to just be honest. Nobody no want positivity. They want to hear chopping.
In the early part of the show, Carrie sing couple positive songs.
Yeah. I never gonna nowhere. Yo. Let me give you one example.
Yeah.
The Hill and Gully rhythm. Asian. In the release one song first, we kind of did clean and, you know, more in tune with the whole folk culture.
Yeah.
And the youths, them never like that. They must say, what kind of foolish is this?
He was the only one that kind of keep, you know, the
Alright. But before we get into that now, and then him come up with a song, bo,
Gang, money and bang.
pussy and, you know, whatever. And then the youths, them just stick to it. Them and say, yeah, man, and this for love, and this for love. And they say, Jano star.
Bro, and even the Hill and Gully rhythm.
No. All right, more on talk about that, but we're gonna get into that later. You see me? I said, talk to us more about like what got you into becoming a DJ.
Yeah, man, it was in COVID time now. You know, it's a school lockdown.
Yeah.
And you know, they home online class and them thing, like, worse.
Yeah, that
was worse, but.
Wait, pause. Yeah, how much now?
Yeah, 21.
Blows on skirt. All right, continue.
Look over for me, yeah.
And I say, look over here, but it was like,
we get that a lot.
but just feel old, isn't me? Cause me at 30.
30?
Yeah, me at 30. So one time me I talk to you, know, it just you're like a juvenile, man. You're juvenile.
Give thanks for the gym. See why it's so important to go to the gym. Look at you. The nigga look young, he look like about 25 years. See me, so people got yeah, man, I forgot his shape and keep yourself young and fresh. Yeah, see me.
Alright, but talk now.
Yeah, man, COVID time, I don't know, so school lockdown and online class. And my uncle, he give me one laptop. You see me? Is that, yeah, a Toshiba laptop.
Yeah.
You see me? I say, and like, they have a virtual DJ on it. I'm just there one day and just go up on it and just a mess around.
Yeah.
I never really know nothing about DJing like that, but I'm just there and mess around. And then there are a spin tracks. And like, when they play, I'm going to say, yo, you know, say tough, you know, say if you pick up this. And you know, say true. You know, say ever true. And they might explain to me the business and how you can make money and fight. Yeah. Yeah, see me, I say, and what benefits of it, traveling, and you can live like artists.
Yeah.
Same way. Yeah, see
you
me,
can make
I
some
say,
good money in that for
yeah,
true, man. Cause enough of them DJ, them demand all 100 grand just for all a party. And more.
Yeah, man. So they I say, alright, man, take it up serious. Take it up really serious, man. They are even focus on online class though.
Yeah.
They say, cha-cha, I got class and anything. I just there. I build playlist and I download song. Yeah. And I just start make mixtapes.
Oh.
You see me? Yeah, so the whole. And I get the name now.
Yeah.
Get the name DJ Wavey. People they love the name, you know, because name tough, you know, you see me?
Yeah, man.
I get the name now. You know, so we're pretty here, boy. I become father. I'm a mother for you, good G's. You see me? I say, so we are going to school. And we cut the wave them pretty. You see me? Girl, then call me Wavy, then call me the Wavy kid. Yeah. You see me? That was my nickname in school. You see me? So you don't know, say.
So that the wave come from me, I think of some sound waves, no, you know, kind of DJ. That don't make more sense.
Yeah, that make sense what I hear. But no, me I done Rasta now, you see me?
Alright, let's see a word, man.
Yeah, man.
So let's see a word, man. Which school you used to go, by the way, if you don't mind me asking?
Cumberland.
One
and Cumberland, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
so,
man.
yeah, so all of that started from Cumberland.
Yeah, man, from Cumberland.
Okay, that's cool though. That's cool,
man. I was 15.
Yeah. So at what age did you do like your first event? Like you started playing at your first event?
First event was 2021. It was a youth named Prince. Yeah, man, Prince, but from first official event.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm actually collect money in my hand.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I'm look at Toshiba laptop, man.
You do your thing, man, and play and thing. So you never kind of feel nervous, man, your first event?
No, not really. Because I don't know some community, I'm there play around and my community is like.
So I say they have the little experience there for like your community events. And then
man.
afterwards, this was like your first big event where you got paid for.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see me?
And then that led to more opportunities. Like, was it like, okay, so was it quick? Like, you get the events then quick, or did it kind of take a while for you to go to your next event? Your next paid event?
I get them quick, you know, because I don't know, so I'm start off from community. You see me? So people like, yeah, about this, look at you, and they charge cheap.
Yeah.
You see me? For the yearly, I charge,
okay.
Bone them packet, you see me? So there's every local thing where they keep them about my feet, I'm just put on my laptop and play. You see me? And play good. I understand. Yeah, man.
Okay, all right then. And so how long have you been in this industry now, you would say?
All right, well, that's it.
Professionally.
That's a 2024.
2024.
Yeah, professionally.
All right,
Yeah,
professionally. All right, so okay, you say you're still kind of fairly new to the scene though.
Yeah, be a
But like, so how have like the community, like the other DJs, them, how have you've been received in that community? Have they been kind of like welcoming and supportive and things?
Yeah, man, they support me. Man.
So no kind of bad vibes or nothing like
man.
that, man.
I'm so go on the road, you big up on that chicky day, you see me?
Yeah, man, I love that, you know. I love that. I love that one time, you know, the elders them embrace the youths, them and thing. You understand me?
You don't know, say also elders were corrupt. You see me? Also, elders who want to do no leg one, leg go youth them. The leg go youth and stop gatekeep the youth them, bro. Remember, say when I go now, I come where I come.
Yeah.
You see me? I say leg go the youth them, man. I teach you them thing, cause at that I think because them talk about say the youth them mash up the culture and I mash up and mash up where it is. But when I understand, when I teach we. We not really show the ropes and show the right thing them. You see me? So we are do for our own and we are do what we think is right.
Yeah.
You see me? I say so now to understand that teach use them.
So you feel like the reason why it's like that is a lack of mentorship.
Yeah, man. They not really want
to give. But that's a foolish still though, man.
Ask any DJ, ask any young DJ.
So we have to kind of figure it out to yourself.
Figure it out by ourselves.
Nobody no want to say, yo, you know, I'm sure you're all for do it the right way. Nobody.
Criticize me. And they say, oh, that much thing if you go sit down and allow this alone.
Wait. So
yeah, so elders are really corrupt.
Channel star. And them literally and them just outright with it.
You see me, I saw them stay, man.
No, man.
Respect the elders, I them make a foundation.
Yeah, man, I them make the foundation and them pave the way for you, but at the same time, still, you know, man, you have to pay it forward. You know what I mean? Like, it's just, me personally feel like when you reach a certain level, when you reach your, like, up there like that, I feel like you must pay it forward for the little man. Yeah. You understand? That just some me feel like.
And they don't want to give youth the youth the glory, because even Tony Meyer said, he not seen a body where do crowd control like him. Even do understand, say, some crowds are in play enough DJ no play them crowd there.
Yeah.
You see me, because Tony don't get me wrong, Tony play some big crowds. You see me, I say, and him have the crowd a wave.
Yeah.
You understand? But you have DJ out there, we have good crowd control, man. You see me? Give some you some props, man, said we.
Shoot.
Yeah, man, for real.
Jano Star, that kind of sad still, you know, one time a veteran like that kind of talk like that, you know what I mean?
That's why I saw you go here, man.
All right, but I want to ask you a question still about like the dancehall industry now, like the current state of it. Like, what you think about it? Like, how it's there right now?
To be honest, it's getting really better, you know, because I'm not going to lie, the COVID time with the whole chopping song and one bagger, it was really like, I'm not going to lie, I like a couple of songs there, you see me? Yeah, see me, look, we have a look song where, you know, but it get better now. It'll get better now. Girls sing and sing more. Yeah. You see me, we can know, so we have a playlist like with new girls and me and say, now I have a whole heap of girls and can play.
Yeah.
You understand? Party song and sing again.
Yeah.
You see me and say, it can, yeah, man, that's how come back.
All right, but me I ask you a question.
We are getting enough hits.
All right, I ask you a question, Selena, and this might be controversial. You see, but especially because you're young too, but may I assume so because you're one DJ, you're taking some of the older hits them, like at least the early 2000s dancehalls them, right? All right. So, want you be honest. If you compare to the early 2000s, late 90s dancehall, compared to now, do you think that it measures up to the classics, like to that era there? You think it measures up?
To be honest,
the current dancehall, the kind of songs that are coming out right now, you think it measure up to like early 2000s, late 90s dancehall?
All right. I'm careful with me and say, because I don't know, say. All right. You know what there's dancehall. Back in the days, they have more song where they take playing.
Yeah.
They have more international hits.
Definitely.
Yeah, man.
Because that's what I was that's what I want to get at too. Because I feel like enough people have done me for this, you know. I'm not really busy. But we used to have artists where the Billboard hits.
Yeah,
like
man,
we used to have
Billboard.
people,
That's
we used
what
to
you
have
do on
artists. Yeah, man. So that me I try to show you, man. Nowadays, enough of them dancehall artists, I feel like them only bigger yard. Them
Yeah,
only
just
big
that.
like in the Caribbean community. But like, look, let me give you an example now. People like Beanie Man, Bounty Killer. People, you used to have international artists who kill up themselves for work with them, man. And ladies are the get all a Grammy with no doubt.
Yeah, see me?
Me not see them something they are going
Because
now.
the concept where the youth must sing now and them are fuse hip hop with dancehall. Dancehall is a genre by itself. Dancehall thing we cannot fuse. And me not really like it because reggaeton make money off of it, bro.
Yeah.
Reggaeton make millions off a feel style. You understand? Look on the beat, then the beat them simple.
Yeah.
You see me? And we I try adapt to hip hop when we make hip hop, when I dancehall make hip hop.
Yeah, that
You
is
see me?
it.
I say no. And when I sing about chopping and them thing they like.
And
bro,
pop
why
pills
people
and
not,
them stuff there.
You see me? Why people not gonna want to listen to them thing though, bro? Making music fun like look on Shake It to the Max. Shake It to the Max is a simple song, a simple beat, simple lyrics, nice.
And it charted on Billboard too.
Yeah, see me?
I think it's the only dancehall song last year that charted on the Billboard.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
And the artist, the main artist isn't even Jamaican.
Yeah,
Think about it.
But Skillibang, they make it kind of get bigger too, you know.
Skillibang and Shensia, yeah man, the remix,
Yeah,
the
man.
remix
The
definitely
remix,
make it.
Skillibang. Me don't know where Skillibang have, but Skillibang does have a sauce, dog. We don't know. I simplest thing them, bro. Skillibang, I feel Skillibang props, a big artist.
No, I'm gonna give him props. He
Props.
have a couple songs in my life, man.
Them man there, in the international crowd, can't go around it. Skillibang a big
No man, him tour and thinking about, does he have the only song I see him chart with on the Billboard is the song we him do with Nicki Minaj. The crocodile thing remix.
Yeah, Crocodile.
Which,
Teeth.
yeah.
He might other song with
But is it charting on the Billboard?
Well,
That's the thing.
I don't know, you know.
Does he have albums that are charting on the Billboard? That's what I'm trying. That's what I try to say. Yes,
man,
Skillibang is a good artist. I'm not gonna take away from him. I think he's talented, but at the same time, when you compare to all the early 2000s, when you have people like Elephant Man, Beanie Man, them the artists, them man there was competing, was in like the hip hop fraternity, the international fraternity. Whereas with now, I feel like a lot of the artists them these days, them just compete with themselves. Them just bigger yard. You understand me, I say?
Think big, bro.
So that me I try to say.
Need for change. The rhythm them need for change, bro. You see me? Reading them if you get more look better and have bounce. Yeah, so because the trap dancehall, the 808 and the 808 kick and the snare, nah really I give it a bounce.
Yeah.
You see want the original drum kit. That kick there where dancehall have. Yeah, man, that the people they want hear. Simple lyrics. You see me? And more melodies and more catchy. Catchy phrases and nice time with people can say, all right. Me not understand this song, but that local party.
Yeah.
I like that local party. You see me? I sing that party. Yeah,
Yeah.
man. So that's that. The artists them just need for, you know.
Yeah, man. All right.
And the elder them and the young artists come together and don't say no word.
Yeah.
And show it in the right way.
Yeah, man.
I know we have put back dancehall pan the Billboard.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think so too, man. I feel like too much egos.
Yeah, man.
Too much egos and too much politics. Too much bullshit politics. From what I say. You know what I mean?
But from people don't eat them food, me don't eat them food.
Yeah, that's why I say I not knock it, you know, but I just want it to be. And even reggae too. I get whole heap of backlash for this, you know.
That to reggae.
Even reggae, I want reggae and dancehall be at that level that it once was when it was charting in the Billboard.
Like reggae, like, you don't know that, right? Reggae dead.
All right, wait. I'm glad you said that, you know, but you see the thing is, I don't want you, you be very careful with what you say first, you understand? Because let me say, I spoke on it. I spoke on it on a previous episode.
No,
I posted that clip.
Me a DJ now that.
Yeah.
So I know the music, you know.
All right.
Reggae now really go on with nothing again, bro. Remember one time, right now, where Jamaica miss reggae, dancing song, gospel song.
Yeah.
You see me, we now get them song there again. Remember, Jamaica music used to have everything you don't know, say, every year, you have a dancing song.
Yeah.
You see me? A reggae song around the place.
Yeah.
You see me? Remember Cafe Protege and the Chronics them everybody.
Yeah.
Be a reggae song. Be a Japan, you know, so we can listen to some reggae. I just dance alone, me say.
Alright, but here's the argument where a lot of people did that said to me. reggae might be dead in Jamaica, but internationally is a whole different thing. You understand me? Because a lot of them artists, they tour overseas and things. But here's my thing though with that argument. While yes, reggae is doing, fairly good when you compare it to locally. But at the same time, it's still not at that level it once was.
Yeah, reggae, me don't know like
it's still not at the level it once was. And then even
reggae music now drop again, bro.
No, it's a drop, Because I'm gonna give you an example. I see this is the next thing to I feel like probably you know really is it true because it not so wide scale like that again, make you not too sure. Because
Let me tell you when me can know reggae music. When me I listen, I 105 and zip.
Alright.
Yeah, you know what? Them play some new reggae right through.
Yeah.
The reggae, them other stuff like the Protege. Before the Bible, it have like no one could.
And they have a tour, and it was a 2-day tour, and it was sold out. It was pretty successful. But that's what I say. Protege can't just be the only representative for reggae. You understand what I say?
I'm vexed. Chronic's kind of stop it because
Chronic's released one album though.
Yeah, man, I love the album.
Yeah, the album nice. I love it too.
I love the album so much. That album is very underrated.
Yeah,
but people don't need to list the album there.
It's very underrated. I think because people did expect a different style from him. You understand him? I say,
but so, him go back to the
yeah. But then you have to understand.
Live band team using.
But you have to understand still, if you're gonna be real honest with you, how much Jamaicans genuinely love Bob Marley as an artist. Remember, Bob Marley did get him love, from foreign, and from this so Jamaicans start embrace Bob Marley. Nobody never loved Bob Marley when him be out here. And when him go overseas and become this big old global sensation, at them time the Jamaicans start embrace him.
Maybe you're my white man.
We're not gonna go there, so. But I don't really feel like a lot of Jamaicans really like Bob Marley as an artist. You understand? We appreciate him for what he do for the culture and all of that. But I'm going to give you an example.
But, bro, Jamaica don't really give a bad, don't really give a big... Bro, you see, Jamaica give Sean Paul in props.
Alright, but here's the thing though with that now. I feel like with Sean Paul is because, because him... And I think it's unfair. It's unfair, but I think...
Sean Paul in
props, let me tell you where I think it's rooted in. I feel like because dancehall is more linked to a more kind of a rough type of thing, kind of like a ghetto, No, we could be honest though.
Yeah, but really.
You understand me? I say, and Sean Paul is an uptown guy. Him come from a very... No, but we be real. He's not the average Jamaican, if you're going to be like that. You understand? He's an uptown guy. So, I feel like the fraternity probably never really did embrace him like that, because they must say, yo, where that youth here go? You might look like all a white man. Where you might come and in a dancer? Dancer is a black man genre. You understand me? I say? So I feel like that. I say also too because him was more geared to an international market. Because him are the only dancehall artist who have 2 number ones, I could bring up that. Yeah, on the Billboard. The only dancer with 2 number one, solo number one. Temperature and I think Get Busy.
Yeah.
So I feel like a little bad mind in it. And I feel like a lot of them just don't really... Them look on him as kind of like a sellout. Them not think him is a good representation of dancehall and the genre. But me not necessarily believe that, But I just feel like that's just the general perception.
Sean Paul, what do you mean? Sean Paul, bro, I say Sean Paul no twang, dog.
No, but me get where I say.
Part of them man sing nice song,
No, but me I tell that, but I just the looks, representation we are talking about. You see, people that more look on like a Buju or a Cartel or them, the type of people, because people see themselves more in a them than a Sean Paul. You understand? Because Sean Paul is a more like a uptown guy, him light skin, him not. And it's unfair, I not say it right. I feel like it's unfair. Because I feel like once you represent the culture and you do what you're supposed to do, I really feel like you forget your props. But when you talk to some of the man them, but for them artists in a dancer, you gotta really hear Sean Paul and come up because them not see themselves in a Sean Paul.
And them not put Sean Paul in a kingship. I mean, I understand.
I'm gonna tell you something.
And they need to put Sean Paul and Elephant there because you have to give Elephant in props, bro.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Elephant is part of dancehall.
No, for sure, definitely.
A real dancehall, bro.
Definitely, bro. Definitely. No, I agree with you. Elephant Man definitely is one of the guys them where they really boost it up on an international level. Yeah, but he got nominated for a Grammy too.
Yeah, see me.
You know what I mean? So we're not left out Elephant Man.
Elephant Man, you have to rate Ellie, man.
Ellie bad.
Is a nigga who make dancehall fun.
Yeah.
He make dancehall fun, bro.
For real, man. For real.
See me? Where people can sweat. You see me? Why?
But like to hear you as a young youth to talk about them son. Because I feel like a lot of times, the young people them tend to underrate the classics, the you know what I mean, the people them will pave the way. Because a lot of times, I'm gonna be real with you. Elephant Man, while he's a innovator in the genre, no people don't really give him props like that either. Because it's been a long time since him last hit. Yeah. So because other people say the people use words like washed out or him not ready again. But me I say, yo, he's a legend. Can't take away that from him. Can't take away that from him.
A legend. Cause when you play in an international space, yeah, and you play for white people and him think the elephant have to play.
Elephant man have to play.
Pan the river, pan the bank.
Pan the river. You know, say that. I can tell you the truth, guys. Me can't dance, you know. Me can't dance to save my life, but play an elephant, man. Play one elephant.
All if you have two left foot, you have to dance, bro.
You have to dance. You have to dance.
I'm telling you, dancing song is very important.
Very important,
bro. Dancing song is very important. The man ain't not sing no more dancing song. Well, I'll lead it. Come on, man.
Yeah.
Man, come back, man. I can give you some dancing song.
But
man.
also say that them left though. Sometimes I'm not left them left, you know. It's just that them just now get the support.
Yeah,
for get them thing push up. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Because just like what you said, there's a lot of gatekeeping in a dancehall. And not only certain artists can, you know, get through. You know what I mean? It's sad. Because there was even, I think I saw a video with an artist. I said, oh, you know, man, them might release the music. But because them not have that backative there, them not have a person kind of, you know, push it. It not get no play, not get no ear play. Like, another question too. So like, payola, you know, obviously payola is a huge thing. Have you ever kind of seen so payola is when you basically pay money for have your music played like all over the place. Basically, so increase our streams, increase our airplay, everything. So that's why enough of them artists say, you know, you might hear a song and it sound like utter fuckery, right? Yes, utter fuckery. But you hear it everywhere. It'll play everywhere over yonder. and then it's a tactic too, you know, because it play everywhere to the point where you just all end up like it. Just, you know?
Exactly, because when Madodi just drop, you know, when Valiant drop, but they say, what kind of song this? But yeah, hear it and people just start like it. I know some see me to call people wap wap. When Skilly Bang drop wap wap, everybody say,
yeah.
Everybody has what kind of crazy man I say. And everybody's like wap wap. So you have to, that's why you have to know that's why you have to do marketing and networking in the business. You see me I say? And you have to know the people who forgot to the right connection them. That's why man like Mac, them I always find hits. Because Mac is a man who have the connections. Right? Big up DJ Mac. You see me I say? Yeah man. Yeah, tell you man, those connections and marketing man. Alright, look, you have to market yourself, bro. You have to promote yourself and promote the music. Look on Cartel like what? 50 yard? And the man I promote the music like I just post artists. You see me? Every song we Cartel just been promoted, bro. Enough for you they now promote them song.
But the thing is doing now, you kinda I feel like that's a bad example because Cartel have a following. Him have a following, a very loyal following.
Bro, come on. Enough time Cartel drop song, me no know say song drop until me see him start promote it. And that me I try show you.
Well, you're right, Selena. That's what I want me get that because Cartel really...
Because I not really see that the algorithm that them way there. Yeah, see me I say until you start promoting music.
Boy, I see the algorithm one day. I kind of wish me never did see what me did sing at the algorithm. You see me?
But what I like though, it is song when drop, you know, dog.
Yeah.
I love the song, you know, dog, but Jano, bro, the man spoil the song for me, dog.
Jaja.
It's a nice song, but the man spoil the song for me, bro. Boy,
Jaja.
Yo. If ever follow that interview a long dog.
For real, man. For real.
Because I tell you, because we speak facts.
Yeah.
There's me I say, we speak nothing because as much as me young, bro, I'm all.
Yeah.
Because my uncle can teach me history. Because if you're a DJ, you have to know your history.
You have to know your
history or you're not going to work. Yeah, you see me?
Yo, DJ Wavey, no, but I feel like I get where you're bro. No, but I feel like I get where you're no.
That's cool, man.
I have a game for him. Truth or drink. So I'm going to ask him some questions and him for answer. You see if him not answer, I have to take a shot at this. You see me? And this is a normal, you know.
It's a no boy.
All right, we could just run it now. Run it. All right, so the first question. Who are run dancehall right now?
Who are on dancehall right now? Boy, it's hard to say, you know. Feel like everybody there look apart. But
we think kind of
specific person.
Alright, but just alright, show 3 names.
3 names?
3 names, yeah.
Alka, Massacre, because Massacre, how much I not drop enough song, him drop 3 songs for the year, and I turn in replace, because everyone I go me out here, everyone's about to do this like that. Yeah, man, Massacre, yeah, see me. Who else? Valiant, yeah, see me.
Alright, so
Shensia do I think too.
Alright, so Massacre, Valiant, Alkaline, and it says Shensia too.
Shensia do I think too.
Alright, cool. Alright, who is
and the new youth them can't for the young you can't for the new youth them, you know. Every this youth felony tough. Yeah, see me felony I go on with himself. Skip out of them thing, yeah man.
Yeah.
You young you them one name Mercs.
Yeah.
Mercs are them thing, man. Yeah, see me I say for the young generation.
I gotta be real honest, I never chew me too old, but I know I only know Skipper. Skipper the only person out of them 3 them I know.
Yeah, so yeah about felony them, man.
Alright. That's your word. But me say about run dancers and I run me at
yeah, man, them big 3 them, man. The big 3.
Alright. Alright. Now, the question you know, this is the one I could probably make you drink. Who is the most overrated dancehall artist currently?
Overrated?
Overrated.
I know, so I'm not going to say the one there. Not going to say the one there.
Overrated. Like, who you think people give them way too much than what them actually deserve? They're not necessarily awful enough, but it's like they get so much props to the point where it's like, it don't really make sense. Like, the quality of work don't match that.
Why? I'm not going to say over because I'm going to say the youth them for eating or that. Everybody have to eat.
We're not talking about eating now. We're talking about who is the most overrated.
We can't answer that.
Alright then, so you can take the shot.
We can't
take the shot.
Alright. Everybody have the thing when we can't.
Alright. I know you never can answer that.
Trouble in your foot, man.
Alright, ready?
Alright. Yeah, do me. Tough, man.
Good. Alright. First shot down. Many more to go. Have you ever pretended to like a song you actually hated? And if so, what's the name of the song? And the artist name?
Listen, a song I hated.
Yeah.
I song they hate.
Yeah, you pretend to like, but you actually hated.
You know, so the funny thing is, the first song when I start listen at first and say me hate them, I start like them.
Alright.
So
there's no song that you
I say, I never did like Coke. They playing those crash with the Coke. I never like that song they at that.
And it just grew on you.
I just grew on me. I'm just, as if I start singing. We start singing the song. As if me eventually get like them because they are playing on my ears so much.
Oh, okay. Alright, fair. Have you ever dated 2 people at the same time?
At the same time?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Full of girl, dog.
Alright.
I say anybody about Wavey. Full of girl.
There's that. Alright, cool. Alright, what the wickedest thing though a girl ever do you?
Wickedest thing? Attempt to fuck my friend.
What?
Attempt to fuck my friend.
She attempted to have sex with your friend. Wow. But I mean, to be fair though,
well, they say them not fuck me, me not believe, me not fully believe in them. Feel like they need it, but at the same time, me not think they do it.
You not think they do it?
Dog, you know, and my friend say Ray.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see me. I feel like them do it.
You feel like them do it, low key.
Yeah.
Jaja.
I know because of that girl yesterday, because that girl is Jano.
So that's the wickedest thing?
Yeah,
but she never do nothing though, so technically she never did anything because it never happened.
Yeah, but no fight time, you know, no fight time the girl do wickedness, but you're not really find out. I mean, he's a man,
True.
I mean, tell you this, bro. Girl don't love me, bro. I'm a bully for girl, bro. You see me, I say, bro, I not really have time for just over a woman and what they want to do.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, I do about the front. I feel them one. Enough time they tell me, say, yeah, man, you know, yeah, pussy daddy. Me say, my pussy. Liar. You go. I feel what?
Jaja.
Yeah, see me, go and give it, because, bro, you can't, bro, I'm telling you this, bro. When you're married,
yeah,
you don't own woman, bro. You see me, woman, you can do them enough time, them sex, and you don't know. And you can't go know.
True.
You see me, I say? Me, I tell man, brother, woman wicked in that. You see me?
A real thing, man.
I'm all tell a man this, bro. Listen to me, I say, brother. If you know I'm mad over a girl, when you get in a relationship, always keep on fuss. And don't make you find out.
Brother.
Take my advice, listen.
Brother, that's not a good advice. Brother, I know a man where... Brother,
keep on fuss.
Brother, I know enough man where fuck pan them girl. Like, yeah. I will only pack girl fuck pan them girl and as soon as the woman give me one little mad out. So
you can't
mad out.
Brother,
I know enough man where mad out. Like, they can't take the bun. They can't get the bun in a fuck pan your eyes on it. But you see when the girl get mash up.
That's enough of it.
That happened to one of my bridging them.
Remember say man a breeder in a dog.
Yeah.
Alright, when you put a bull in a one pen or a cock in a one folk with the end them.
Yeah.
If I fuck off all of them, I did breed them. Man is breeder, you supposed to have one per girl. You say can't over one girl, bro. It not gonna work. You see me? You have to have one per them, bro, especially when you're young and fresh. You understand? Believe man.
I say a word, man.
We sound corrupt now, but I true. Alright, watch that. You know, say me as a man, my hard forget girl when I'm single.
Yeah.
Ask any man, bro. It's hard forget.
It's hard. No, true, man. True. You're right,
bro. Enough time they're single, dog.
And nobody now look for you. Soon as I get a
one girl, bro. Ooh. Are your girlfriend?
Yeah, you know you're the person, something, man.
We don't know what I do with boy like you.
One time, I did work at one call center one at a time, them see? And then I remember, you know, no girl never really to approach me like that, you know. And then when I finally, I get my girl and thing. Then all of a sudden, this girl me used to dare on all the while. She'll show my pussy pic and you know them something. So me I say,
God, they love competition because they want to say if you can take away you from the girl there. Brother, woman love competition, brother. Woman love competition, bro. That me realize, but I love play the game with them, bro.
Jaja.
Woman love competition, brother, because they must say, oh, that go, where she see now that you there?
Yeah.
If you like him, and when you start, like, I bring out kind of a girl, you know.
Yeah.
So you bring them out enough time, make them live like a life, and post it, and they must see, they must say, what the blood? Enough time, bro, enough time, they them as on girl, like DM me, and
yeah.
If me I take away for your woman in a me say,
yeah, that.
Bro, me I tell her, bro, woman thing like
dangerous for real.
We love them, man, but then dangerous, man. Yeah, you see me?
Yeah.
Believe, man.
A real thing, man, a real thing.
Remember, niggas, on the get girl them bun first. And video it and hide it in your files if you have iPhone. Deep, so you know, so when she do a fuckery, you rise it up back and show us a ray. You see me?
Wait, that not even make no sense. Why you do that though? Why you do that? Why
prove to her, so yo, watch out, me give you bun first. So what? You can't hurt me.
Brother, that don't make no sense. Why you want? No, I'm feel like
I hide it. So.
But why you want to hide it? Why you want to hide it though?
No, hide it, man.
No, hear me. You know, hear me. I say. All right, you get the one, cool. But like my thing is, how that. What kind of competition?
You're not going to find out.
What kind of competition for who give one first? What kind of
because
competition?
Because woman eventually get, listen, bro. Yeah. Woman them easy to get bored.
No, it's not about getting bored, you know, but me I say still. Why you need to reveal say you they get the bun first? So that me I try to understand.
No, because woman love search phone. I remember say you got hide in your file, so when
you gotta hide it, you know, cool. But you say eventually you go reveal it to her, say you get it. But me I say, why you have to reveal it? Why you can't have the upper hand to say, alright, you know what? You do that, cool. Me never do you nothing. Why you feel like you have to reveal it?
No man, cause no fly girl, I'm gonna go, oh, fuck on the boy and rate it.
Oh yeah?
I'm gonna break him out. No.
Oh shit. So you have a sure. Say, look, yo, bitch, look here.
Yeah.
I'm fuck on you first, yeah. Me do it first. I know you, and me.
Yeah, see, bro, you can't get out of the upper hand. You can't get out of the upper hand. See me, I say, bro. Believe, man. The girl them bun first, bro.
Jano star.
Because when you give them bun, you don't have to kill them. At least you can, have a conscience, you know, so I'm me first beat, so boy, so you go.
Yo.
Woman got eventually give bun.
Yo, you're dangerous, you know. Alright, my God, this is going to be the last question.
Really,
last question. What's the most toxic thing you've done in a relationship?
Like taxi, what taxi things we're doing?
Alright, but what the most one? The wickedest one.
Most one.
Yeah.
Have this girl and she like be a problem. It's a really toxic and really.
What kind of problem?
Eh?
What kind of problem?
You know, she just cussy and miserable and irritated and you know like It's a girl like when you're a kid, the argument, she gonna go text man and rate it. You know, girl, but she said she not fuck, you see me? So she will go and text man and rate it. Yeah. Give me start. You see me? So me and that girl like kind of kick off. We never fully like break up. I don't know. Fuck her friend.
Oh, you fuck her friend?
Yeah, man.
Sure. Was this eventually revealed? Did she find out?
Yeah, best friend eventually tell her rate it. And the thing is, she still stay.
Oh, so she stay after you fuck her friend?
She still stay and say, Ray.
So wait, so all that even work though? You fuck her friend. So when did you have like a threesome and thing eventually? Because I feel like that would have been the natural progression.
No, never.
That never do that?
Yeah, never feel like that. There's a bad vibes start going between the two of them. Yeah, so we don't know a girl they love me that. You know, she said she not left. So I say,
hey, I'm telling you, this young people. Hey, yesterday young people here. Me I tell you, them young people are festive. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself.
It's a cruel word.
Big up on yourself, for real.
It's a cruel word out there, man. Yeah, I tell you, bro.
Alright, I think we can wrap up right now. But yo, DJ Wavey, before we go, man, what's next? What we can
man,
do?
What about big things, man? Because who do you know DJ Wavey, you know, some never have no MC. Don't know, some they got the party, man, just play music. I'm never really have to go to MC because I don't know, so they got party them with some MC when don't really understand the game. You see me? And then I understand how to intro music and rate it. So it kind of I look bad for me, said we. So now I'm get the MC, DJ, next gen, big up yourself, my bro. So we'll form a team name, the next wave.
Yeah.
You see me? And we have to take over a place, so you see me?
Alright.
So we get juggy. You don't know, say Wavey a bad mixer from a long time. I'm an MC, bad. You see me?
True, man.
Believe me, man. Whole heap of great things with DJ Wavey, man. Who know the history know? You see me? I say, whole heap of more mixtape for coming. Because people don't love the mixtape, you know?
Yeah, man, them bad, man. They listen to what they hear, man. Them bad, man, in the gym and thing, you see me?
Cool, man.
Yeah, man, brother. Big up yourself, man. Just go and continue upon a path, yeah, man. You see me? I say, come see greatness in here, man. I love myself. I just love to see the young youth, them, just take up them thing and just do what the fuck them need to do. You see me? I love to see it, man. You see me? I say,
thing not go work, 95 not go work, dog, and anything not go work, bro. You see me? I always pick up a trade.
Yeah.
The youths, them, when they're younger, find on the purpose from early. I know when they want to do something, they do it for young. I know so when they reach 25, when they really advance night and reach a certain stage in life.
Yeah.
You know, so when they touch 30, they can know so you have money. You see me? And build no house. You come out of the mama house and build something. You see me?
Why you want to start problem on the podcast? Listen to me. Listen to me. You know them a tough time, yeah? Listen, you know them a tough time, yeah? Do what you can manage. Nobody pick up what you can manage. You understand?
The time I build no house, bro.
Build no house if you can.
You can't be 35 and I live in the mama house, bro.
Build no house if you can. We don't want terrible economy. Me not go bash nobody where I live with them parents. You see me I say? Me not live with mine, them, you know. Me not live with mine, but me just say me not bash nobody where I have to do what I have to do. Because time hard. But going to one supermarket the other day, me did so shocked to see one bottle of water for this amount of money. Me I said, John no star. So me not bash you know, no do what I want to do. You see me I say, once a righteous living, and once you try to upgrade on yourself certain ways and things. We not endorse no bums around here, so. But me not bash you, you have to do what you have to do. You see me I say, everybody's circumstance is different. Alright? We're not going to so. We're not going to so.
Hey, those I don't do it.
We're not going to so.
We tell us if we follow that interview, we have to do the long, man. I tell you.
We're not going to so. We're going to pick up yourself, see him.
Yeah, man, you to me.
And guys, follow him up, man. Show the youth a strength. All them links are going in the description and the show notes. Big up on yourself. Thanks for watching, and you don't know it go already, man. Peace.
Remember, book DJ Wave, DJ Next Gen, the next wave team.
Alright.
See me and say.
Book the man straight.
Believe, man.
Alright, man. Bless up for yourself, guys. No love.